Alright guys, so we're going to be doing a horse drawing, basically the face of the horse. Then we're going to do watercolor afterwards. Alright, with that, this portrait of a horse named Henry going. Alright, let's cue the intro. As we get ourselves set up and get our underlying drawing sketched out and prepped, we are obviously drawing out the square that the drawing should be placed in. So with that, we're going to get things going here, and we're going to get, once the under drawing's done, we'll do the inking and then the watercolor. wrap it up on to the next step, and that's for the framing. I decided to create a little plaque that's going to set into the mat. So I'm learning that as well as creating the little plaque. Now we're going to cut out the hole for the plaque. As I create this, what we're going to do is now finalize everything and set it into place. All right. As you can see, I centered it perfectly, but it probably should have been centered. It should have been shifted up. Now we're going to slice it out the image so we can frame it properly. My final thoughts on how things came out. I think overall, I think I did a pretty good job. It is a very good representation of the photo that I was working from. There is a little bit of lens distortion from the photo, and I think I caught that fairly nicely. It makes for a very interesting looking horse and almost stylized at this point. My choice of background, I think that was very smart of me not to oversaturate any of the colors and actually let the background fall to the back like I did. So the light pastel-y colors and light washes really help bring the head of the horse forward and really set itself back from the rest of the image. My own really minor gripe is the little plaque that I did with the word Henry on it. I really would have rather have seen that up just a hair. I'm not too thrilled with its location, but overall, it's not worth even worrying about. I'm fairly happy with it. Okay, with that, I think I'm going to wrap this one up and call it a day. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell icon because I don't know when I'll do my next video. Sometimes it's a couple weeks, sometimes it's a month, sometimes it's a week. So hit the subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I do upload. And all right, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a great time. Bye.